Hi there, this is Eddie, Multi-Man Services, and if you look below you'll see 3 different gutter cleaning packages. Right now I'm just going to kind of explain the differences between the 3 and what you can expect when we come out to do a gutter clean. As you can see, it's winter time here, and yes, we still do clean gutters regardless of how cold it is. Sometimes the weather affects that, but right now it's above 32 degrees. We're not going to get on this roof right now. We're going to clean from the gutter line, but the basic package is going to include us removing all of this stuff out of the gutters. Generally we'll do that by hand or a leaf blower, or sometimes we'll even use a pressure washer if we have solid chunks of ice in there. The deluxe package is where, let me flip this camera around, I'll explain a little bit about what you can expect with that. Okay, so some people just want to get the debris out of the gutters, and some people really could care less about all the fancy stuff that are in the deluxe or premium package. But if you're considering having a better type of service, these trees are touching your gutter and your roof and just, brushing all up against that. We're going to cut those back, and over time your downspouts get full and clogged. So we're going to power flush that with our pressure washer here. We bring up our power washer and we'll power blast that out, and we'll wait to see all that stuff coming out of the downspout. And then also is included in the deluxe and premium package, where we will actually give you a full gutter inspection and roof inspection, informing you of possible problem areas and maybe even some problem areas here on your siding. Hey, we noticed this is happening on your siding. We'll give you suggestions on how to go about getting that fixed. Okay, a moment ago we showed you that clogged downspout. So in the premium package, winter's here, what we encourage our clients to do is to install something like this. It's called a gutter stick, and we put that right over the downspout to ensure that nothing does get in your downspouts, clog up your underground drains. And the benefit of this product here is that in between our gutter cleans that we do for you, you'll have peace of mind knowing that this will keep your gutters flowing. So right now we have pine needles and all kinds of nasty stuff here. So let me do a brief demonstration on what you can expect with the gutter stick when it's installed in your home. Okay, but right here we're doing a water test, basically demonstrating what it would be like kind of when it rains. We'll turn this camera around and we'll show you the results of a high amount of water, 8 gallons a minute right here. And with the gutter stick, you can prevent your gutters from overflowing and keep your downspouts flowing. Okay, so we got the water flowing here. Our gutter is completely full of water. You can see that filling up. And as it's raining, the water is making its way to the gutter stick. And if you look below, you see the water draining out of the middle of your screen there. The gutter is just dripping right out of the downspout. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration on what Multi-Man Services can do to keep your gutters clean. We look forward to servicing you in this winter season, and when it comes to getting your gutters clean, we have all different types of methods of getting washed out. The basic, deluxe, or premium package you're going to be super happy with, and pick the package that best meets your level of clean, and we'll take good care of you. Have a great day.